Hello great people, welcome back to another brand new video by RABBY. As you already seen from the title and the thumbnail of my video that in this video I am going to show you my PC build for 2018. So guys, I really hope that you are gonna enjoy this video, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, the processor I am using for this build is from Intel, the Core i7 8700K. It's a 6-core processor and it can be overclocked up to 5.2 GHz. It's actually better for video editing and little bit gaming. For the main board, I am using the ASUS G370A. It will support all the 8th generation Intel CPU. It's actually designed and developed for overclocking. This board has 4 RAM sticks and you can use 3 graphics cards with SLI bridge. Also, the board has 2 slots for M.2 SSDs. I am using Corsair 32GB of DDR4 RAM for better 4K video editing performance. This is a RGB RAM and it can be controlled by Aura Sync. I am using Samsung 950 Pro 256GB M.2 SSD for my operating system. This SSD can read up to 2 GB per second and can write up to 900 MB per second. Next, I have the Adata 240GB SATA SSD for my project files. Also, I am using 2TB of Western Digital green hard disk drive for my other files. And finally, I have 2TB of WD Element. It's really an awesome portable hard disk. I will be using this for the important backup of my files. To make my CPU cool at the time of overclocking, I am using the Cooler Master Master Liquid 240 RGB edition. It's really very silent, more than I expected. Also, the RGB looks awesome and it can be controlled by the ASUS Aura Sync. Now let's move to the GPU. You must be laughing after seeing my current graphics card because I am using the ASUS GTX 1030, but I already ordered the ASUS GTX 1080 Ti and it will take up to 2 weeks to receive. So for now I have to use this shit. To power up the system, I am using the Cooler Master Masterwatt 650. This power supply is a 80+ bronze certified and I am going to upgrade this after receiving my graphics card. And finally, for the PC case, I am using the NZXT S340 Elite White Edition. It's actually the best PC case under $100. It has the built-in cable management system, so I do not need much time to manage all the cables. Also, it's a good choice for custom water cooling. I'm gonna use this PC mostly for Adobe Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, and for Lightroom. So this PC must be a better option for me. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.